Hello everyone, welcome to Remax India. Today we will learn how to do listing on downloadbrochures.com. So let's begin. First of all, you have to search downloadbrochures.com on Google. As soon as you open the link, you will see the home page. Now to log in into the portal, you can see at the top right corner there is this login option, so you have to click on it. The sign up option will come. Put your credential in this and again click on login. As soon as you will click on login, you can see the CRM dashboard.
From this CRM, you can directly call your clients or connect with them through WhatsApp.
With this dashboard, you can maintain all your lead. As you can see, there are multiple buckets given here. These buckets help you to segregate or divide your leads as per the conversation you have with your client. And next time, whenever I open my CRM, I can see how many leads are in which bucket. So what should you do if you want to upload an external lead to the CRM? That is very easy. All you have to do, you have to go to the bottom right corner and click on the plus icon. A form will pop up and in this you can fill the detail. Make sure to write the remarks so that you know what conversation you are having with your client. Second thing is you have to look at the status. So when you click on the status, all the buckets will come. So just select your status and here you can see from where you get that lead from. So like whether it's from download brochure or you have met someone on an event, is it a lead from the marketing campaign that you have done? So all leads one CRM. So just click on save. So from here you can see all your leads. Now how can you list property on downloadbrochures.com? So on the left side there is add properties option. So you have to click on this. So as soon as you click on the add properties, a form will come and now we just have to fill this form. So the project name, make sure that when you write the project name, we do not use any special characters like comma, full stop, nothing, not even a space bar. Then the total area, typology. So typology is what different kind of inventories you are selling. Now comes the current offer. So make sure that you write a current offer, especially if any festive season is there. It kind of attract the client, so it's good if you put any current offer. Then the location and then the price. So for the price, you can either give a range like from 23 lakhs to 30 lakhs or you can simply write starts from 30 lakhs. Make sure that you put a star whenever you are writing numbers because the project prices change. Also, why you should put the prices? Because if a customer comes to your page, they know that okay, whether this project is under my budget or not. So it helps you to get better leads.
Now we will select the property status. So we'll just click on it and from the pop-up we will select the status. And lastly we will write the builder name.
So now we have to upload the images. So here we have 6 options that you can upload images of, but make sure that you have to upload at least 2 images. There are 2 ways that you get your images. First, you get it from the builder or from the brochure, and second is you download it from the Google. So while you are downloading from Google, make sure that there is no watermark in your images, and the format that you are downloading your images should either be in JPG or PNG. Moving further, so we have this quick summary. So we'll just fill all the details here. So you just select on pop-up whether you are selling flat, apartment, possession. So next is property description. This is the most important part because here you will be using all your keywords and create a content. So first up is RERA. So we will just write RERA number. It's very important that you put the RERA numbers. So after RERA number, now comes the main content where you have to write. So here comes the heading part. Make sure that your heading should not be longer than 7 words. Okay, so how can I write it? Just simply write the project name, the inventory you are selling and the location. And after this you can just write the description where you'll give a small brief about your project. You can write more description as per the USP of the project, that is the unique selling point that you might usually use in your sales pitch to tell your clients that why they should invest in this particular project. So you can take that as a reference and write your full description. Make sure that you use the keywords, generic keywords or project based keywords should be there and location based keywords should be there, but you can mix and match. Okay, So our description is done. Then comes the floor plan. Again, make sure that you at least upload 2 images. So floor plan, I've uploaded the image, and I've also, there is this small text option behind it. So make sure that you write the project name and what floor plan is it. So this is a 2 BHK floor plan. So I'll just write 2 BHK floor plan. And this one is for the 3 BHK. So I will write that. So next we have amenities. So as you can see, we have given multiple options in the amenities section. So you can select them as per your project. Make sure that you at least select 6 amenities. So now comes the location advantage. So you can see we have also given you a hint here how you have to write it. So in this section, you just have to write how much your project is far away from the important locations like railway station, airport, any hospitals, that your clients need in their life. So you have to write like arrow, li, and then the location advantage, and then you have to close it with arrow / li arrow, and you have to write like this for each and every location advantage. It would be good if you write at least 4 location advantage minimum. You can write as many, but 4 should be there. Now comes the project location. So in this there are 2 parts. The first one is where you have to write the full address. So I'll just write the full address here. Now the second one is map. So when you create your landing page, there is an option like there is a map from where the clients can go and see where exactly your location is at Google Maps. So how you are going to do that? So we have also given the instructions here that you can follow. So first I will search my location on Google Maps, and once I found it, I'll click on share icon. So as soon as I click on share icon, there will be 2 options. So you have to go to embed a map. If you get confused which one you have to select, just remember that the one that have HTML written, you have to copy that link. And still, if you have any confusion, you can just go to the instructions. So I'll just click on copy HTML and it will automatically be copied on my clipboard, and I'll just paste it here. Okay, and then comes the builder logo or the project logo. So if you don't have the project logo, you can put the builder logo. And then few words about the builder. So make sure that you write few words about the builders. And yes, so once I am done with all my details, you can see that my details are coming here, my name, my code, contact email ID, and yes, I'm done with all the details. And now I just have to click on update. So as soon as you click on update project, and voila, your listing is done.